Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your OKP K5 Pro robot vacuum. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, download the OKP app, then create or sign into your account and we'll be ready to get this set up. Just search for OKP on your iOS or Android app store and it should be one of the first results for you. Also, if you already have the Smart Life app, you can just use the Smart Life app, again available for iOS and Android devices, to set this up and you'll have the exact same experience and follow the same procedure. So we have the OKP app downloaded on our mobile device. Here's our main home screen where we need to add a device by selecting add a device in the top right hand corner, or we can select the purple plus button in the center of the screen. It's going to scan for nearby devices and it found our device right here. If it doesn't, you can just add it manually by selecting K5 and then K5 Pro. So let's confirm. Now we need to connect to Wi-Fi here. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So select your network, enter your password, and then select next step. Now it's going to work on pairing your device. All right, it hung up at 60%. I knew something was happening, then it beeped, and now it went all the way up to 100%, and everything has successfully been added and set up. So now down at the bottom, we can select put into service. And now we're taken into our device settings. It's that simple to get everything up and running with the OKP K5 Pro. Thanks for watching.